Hello everybody สบายดีลุงป้านาอาทางไกลและทางไกลสู้คุณสุคนเนาะ Today I have a bag of stuff. I'm going to show you how to connect galvanized pipe to PEX-A. So if your house has old galvanized pipes, you want to convert to PEX-A. This is how you're going to do it, or this is how I do it. I have this old Teflon. I'm going to take out a piece of it to get the clean sheet. And I'm going to grab this galvanized pipes. Pretend it's an old pipe. It's important to wrap your Teflon on the pipes clockwise. Leave a little bit so that it doesn't cover the front, and go around at least 5 times to make sure there's no leak, prevent the leak. I think that's good enough. Next, I'm going to connect the adapter or brass to galvanized pipes. You can tell this is a PEX-A because of the center of that. It's higher than the two. I'm going to hand tighten first to make sure it doesn't cross thread. Then I can tighten with the wrench. For a demonstration purpose, I'm going to use this wrench to help me tighten the adapter to the galvanized pipes. Now it's time to connect PEX-A tubing to the adapter. This is a 1/2 inch expansion tube. Okay, let's cut the pipes. Make sure it's even. And use the sleeve that I have. That's going to help tighten the pipes to the adapter and make sure it's even. I'm going to use it at least 7 to 10 times to make sure the tube expand evenly before I put it on the adapter. And I'm going to hold on to it and maybe like 10 to 15 seconds to make sure it contract and watertight. And I think it's ready. Okay, let's test it out to see if I can pull it. It's super tight, so it's ready to go. Next, I'm going to show you what it's going to look like to connect to the main water line or galvanized pipes. There are two different metals, so it's gonna get corroded. Good luck on your project. เอาเหล็ก2ชนิดมาประกอบเข้ากันอาจจะเป็นพรีเมียมในอนาคตขอขอบใจที่ติดตาม